Today I am reviewing a multifunction digital timer. It's sold by Starry, Starry, on Amazon. Um, and it has a stand, so you can stand it up like that. And it also has a magnet, so it will fit on the refrigerator or other metallic surface. Mine came with the AAA battery included, but you do have to take the battery out and remove the plastic. Otherwise it won't work. So a brief little rundown on how this works. I didn't read the directions at all because I'm not much of a direction reader. I just kind of like to figure things out, and this won't take you very long to figure out at all. So first, if you hit the mode button, that goes to this little clock, and that's what time it is. So currently it's 2:39. So you can use it as a clock also if you wanted to. So then if you want to switch and use a timer, you hit mode again and it goes into the timer mode. And then this is where you plug in your hours, minutes, seconds. So let's put in 2 seconds, and then you click start. So, and then you hit stop and it resets to your original time. If you want to clear it, go back to you're in your mode, and then you touch the minute and the second at the same time, and it goes back to 0. So it's pretty easy to use. You're not going to have much problem with it. I believe it goes up to 24 hours. So that's kind of nice. Oh, and another feature that it has, it counts down, but it also counts up. So if you hit start without putting any time on it, it will count up as well. So a very handy timer. It has all the functions that you could possibly need. And just good overall. I like it.